buggers on my blanket. Can you get rid of those for me? Thank you. It's really gross. You're a really gross animal. I'm sorry that you're disgusting and that you have snots right now. Yeah, we'll clean that up. It's okay, hon. You don't have to lick those up. I'll clean them up myself.